Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create an Outlook email account. Whether you're setting up a new professional email or just want a fresh start with Microsoft's email service, this process is straightforward and I'll walk you through each step. To begin, open a new browser tab and navigate to Microsoft.com. This is Microsoft's main homepage where you can access all their services and products. Once you're on the page, look towards the top part of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. Here, click on Microsoft 365. This will take you to the dedicated Microsoft 365 section where all their productivity tools are showcased. From the Microsoft 365 page, you'll see several options in the menu. Click on Products to reveal a drop-down window. This window displays all the Microsoft products available to you organized under different categories. Under the Apps and Services tab, you'll find a comprehensive list of applications. Scroll through this list until you locate Outlook, Microsoft's email and calendar service, and click on it. This will direct you to the dedicated Outlook product page. Now that you're on the Microsoft Outlook page, look for the Create Free Account button. This is your gateway to setting up a new Outlook email address. Click on this button and a new tab will open, taking you to the account creation form. This is where you'll start building your new email identity. The first thing you'll need to do is enter your desired email address. Keep in mind that when creating a free Outlook account, your domain will be limited to either Outlook.com or Hotmail.com. Choose a username that's professional and easy to remember, then select which domain you prefer. Once you've typed in your desired email address, click on Next to proceed to the password creation step. Now you'll need to enter a password that you wish to use for this account. Make sure to choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters to keep your account secure. After entering your password, click on Next again to move forward in the setup process. The final stage requires you to provide some personal details to complete your account creation. You'll be asked to enter information such as your country of origin and birth date. These details help Microsoft verify your identity and comply with regional regulations. Simply fill in all the required fields accurately. Once you've completed all the necessary information, submit the form to finalize the sign-up process and create your Outlook email account. And that's it. You now have a fully functional Outlook email account ready to use for all your communication needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.